Okay, guys, I've always been telling you that the trend trading strategy is always the best. All you just need to do is is to practice very well with it so that you will get to know how to go about it. With the trend trading strategy, you will be able to do a proper analysis and trade for a very long time and also milk the markets with it. Okay, so we will be checking out some assets in this video and check out the trend trading strategy on it and see how profitable this can be. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within this niche. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to take your time to study the training videos and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out. Okay, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we're starting with Ganex 1200, and of course I'm on 15 minutes time frame on all the assets. Okay, so just like I have been telling you, okay, the trend trading strategy is always the best. If you should notice, this had been on had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course check it out, it kept on selling. This is 15-minute time frame till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out below this support zone. Got there yesterday. Tried to sell, buy for a while, but didn't go too far and it came down. And if you should watch my video yesterday night, I drew out this trend line that if it breaks out above it, then definitely it's going to buy more. You can see it's buying more. Okay, so check it out, guys. After breaking out, it is buying more and it is still going to buy. Okay, it is still going to buy. We expect it to get to this region, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot easily, and if it breaks out from there, we should expect it around this region. Okay, so you guys should take note of that and use a good risk management system. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's check out Ganex 999. Okay, this actually started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, which is the right signal that supports the downtrend. Okay, and of course this actually came down till it got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, but this started an uptrend right from here and got to this region. However, I actually drew this trend line also to point out something. Okay, that if it breaks out below this trend line, then it's most likely for it to sell more. Okay, so, and of course, it broke out below it and we are still checking it out. It may likely sell more, okay, until it get to the next support zone, okay, probably here, okay. And of course, it can now go back to try out the buying to try out the uptrend again and see if it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but if it didn't go below this, then definitely it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, like I said, this is still on uptrend, but may likely want to go down at this point because of the breakout that just happened around here. Okay, so that is very, very important. Once in a while we usually have issues like that. Okay, but the trend trading strategy is still the best. You can imagine you coming in right from here and getting to this region will have given you a lot of profit. This is 15-minute time frame, guys. You can do your calculations. Okay, so this is Pnex 1200. This is another one. This had been on uptrend right from this support region. You can see it going up and up till it got to this resistance zone. After getting to the resistance zone around there, it finds it difficult to break out above it. That is why you see the market playing around there for a while. And of course, I drew out this trend line to make sure it gets to all these points, okay, to mark it out to see if there will be a breakout below it. Okay, so I also drew another one from this support region totally to mark out this point and of course this point. Okay, to see if it will break out also below that. It broke out below this and also broke out below this, which means it's going to sell, and you can see it selling for a very long time. Okay, it is still selling I expect it to get to this particular spot, okay, to this particular spot, okay, because this is where we are, this point, okay. So this is very, very important. But first, you should set your first TP somewhere here, guys. You should set your first TP somewhere, I mean next TP somewhere here. If you had entered around here, I believe you should have gotten to the first TP already, okay. So the next TP should be somewhere here, then thereafter it should be this. Then if it breaks out from there, then this should be your next TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you guys can take advantage of this right away. If you are looking for, if you love trading the spikes, then this is for you. Okay, so take advantage of it right from there. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Just the way we are seeing this actually went on uptrend also right from here. So check it out. The trend trading strategy, like I said, it's still the best. It started a downtrend right from here and came to an end at this point, started an uptrend at this point and came to an end at this resistance zone because it has not been able to break out from that resistance zone. Tried to go back on downtrend, but didn't go too far, but far enough to give you a lot of profit and went back up again. And it came down also, like I said, it's trying to go on downtrend. So there will always be pullbacks in between. Okay, so, and of course, it has got into this particular region and it also came back also, okay? So if you should notice, this is the point where it came back the other time. And of course, if it's unable to break out above this trend line, then definitely we are most likely to see it going back on downtrend again, and of course it will sell more. Okay, so for me, this will still sell more if it does not break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we should, I mean, above this trend line. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so just like I have said, okay, a quick recap on everything I have said in this video. Okay, first thing first. Okay, the first thing is that you should learn how to identify the trend. Okay, if you can identify the trend, then you've solved more than 50% of your problem whenever you are analyzing your charts. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then the next thing is for you to know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. And for you to know that, then you should be able to identify your support and resistance zone. Okay, the major ones. Okay, so once you are able to identify these ones, then you will be able to say, okay, this is where I should jump into the market and this is where I should run away from the market. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so if you are able to analyze the markets using these three things, then definitely you are most likely to be making profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, so all you just need to do is just a good trading tools that can help you to identify all these. This will help you to analyze your charts better. Okay, if you don't have anyone, I am having one I am using right now on my chart. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Indicator. It is a custom made indicator, and of course, you can also lay your hands on it if you contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, so that is it. I will be stopping right here, guys. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.